Okay, so today we're going to be doing a hot and sweet recipe like we did hot and sweet brisket. Well, I want to do hot and sweet football finger food. Okay, so I want to take some chicken wings. I want to cook on an indoor grill. So we're going to break that out in a moment and show it to you. I'm going to use a different heat source. We're going to use sriracha today. So be ready for that. But first, let me grab the pineapple. Remember the pineapple we used for the barbecue? We used the juice. Well, I've got the chunks. I'm going to grind them up in here, and then I'm going to marinate the chicken wings in it. So let me see if the pineapple's still good. These still good? Yep, still good. So we're going to grind them up. All right, so we want to make use of all the pineapples that we bought. So we're trying again. It's going to be pineapples, and it's going to be sriracha. Just give me a minute. Let me grind this up real quick. Low, variable, on. And then you're going to go higher. All right, so we got our pineapple kind of juice slushy mix, and we're going to open up the sriracha. We're going to pour it in. Let's get it mixed in. All right, time to fill our bag. So we're going to grab our wonderful substance. We're not going to use it all. Just need a few cups worth. All right, so now we're going to make another sauce for the other half of the wings, okay? The base is going to be the winter Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce, but we're doing other things too. We're gonna do soy sauce. We're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. There's soy sauce. We got that. We're gonna dump all the barbecue sauce in. There ain't much left, so let's squeeze it all in. Some Worcestershire sauce. They got these shaker bottles. Take forever to get stuff out. And some lime juice. That smells amazing. All right, so let's take the last bit of this, pour it in. All right, so we've preheated up to about 300, and now I just cranked it up to about 390. All right, I'm gonna put the wings on right now. So let me go get those marinated wings. We're gonna start with the one that has the pineapple and sriracha. All right, let's count the wings. We got our wings on here. Let's see how many can cook at one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, over a dozen wings can cook on here at one time. So this is what I'm going to do. To ensure that all the meat cooks, I'm going to keep the lid on. As you can see, there's no smoke coming out of the cooker. Let me lift it up to show you a little bit. See, it all gets sucked underneath. And chicken's coming along just fine. It's almost done. So this is how I cooked the first batch. It's the sriracha and pineapple. I started at 450 degrees to give it kind of like the darkening spots it has on it. And then I cooked it the rest of the way out at 350 degrees. Got on a plate here. I'm about ready to do the barbecue Worcestershire mix. That's coming next. But first, I wanted to clean the grill. Look at that. Look how easy that was, effortlessly. Is that even a word? It took no effort. Anyway, it just wiped right off. It's totally non-stick, ready to go for another batch of wings. So let me get the grill ready. Got to put some more water in it. All right, remember the second batch I marinated in barbecue sauce, Worcestershire soy sauce, and some salt and pepper, and that's going to be going on next. That's our second batch, and I'll let you know which one's better. The pineapple sriracha or the barbecue Worcestershire sauce? Now let's give that a cook. Few minutes on each side at 450 just to get that outer crust. Then we're going to bake it at, because it's kind of like a baking temperature, at 350. We'll cook it the rest of the way. Did a beautiful job on the chicken. Now let's try out the chicken, see how good it is. All right, this is the one with the pineapple sriracha. We marinated it in all night long. You can taste pineapple. No heat, a little bit of heat. All right, let's try one of these little guys. This is the barbecue sauce with the Worcestershire and soy sauce and salt and pepper. Try it. Way better. That is great. Check out this device. A lot of fun. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.